Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. I know you're figuring out what can you spend $675 on to get horsepower for your car. And for this car, you know, we getting about 18 to 20 rear wheel horsepower on the stock tune alone by itself, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't know, I'm gonna give you a little hint that it's close to MSD, and we're not talking about drugs on the black market, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna make that car breathe like a person that's have asthma with an inhaler. So come on with me, I'm gonna unbox it for you. Okay, so as I'm grabbing this boy out the box here, I just want to give you guys a quick overview of how it looks with the work that GPI did. So far, I have it ported. It's ported for a 87 millimeter throttle body. And as you can see here, they did a good job porting it. You can port this to be a 95 or a 103, but it'll be tight here. But they did a good job, as you can see, porting in here, all the way in there. I really can't complain. They even did the runners too. They did a good job on that, man. And they did it on the bottom right here, so it can fit the fuel pump. So I will be upgrading whenever the time being to get a LT4 fuel pump when I decide to push more E85 through the car. But as of now, with my setup I'm going, it'll be good. And yeah, so far this is nice, but this is not it, because as I'm just gonna set this right over here because I don't want to scar my floor up. To the left of me, I even got the cover. You know I had to get the cover, man. I just can't leave underneath my hood looking like that. You know I gotta have something to make me stand out. And this is pretty much well put together too. The styrofoam underneath it, so that's pretty good. I didn't buy this from GPI. I actually bought this from somebody from off the C8 Corvette forum. So if you want a few C8 covers in this particular one, head over there. But to give you guys that look, this is how it's gonna be. Ooh, that makes it look a hell of a lot better, man. Let me sit up over here on the box for you guys to see a little better angle of it. I can tell this is way taller, but once it's drilled down on there, this is gonna look really, really good. And over here to the right, these are all the gaskets. My car is already at 40,000 miles, so I bought new gaskets for the runner, the throttle body gasket. So you can get these from Rock Auto. I'll put the part number down in the description if you guys want to get new ones. And like that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for the next video, because I haven't made up my mind yet if I'm going to install this myself or take it to my performance shop and have them install it, because I need a tune for the E85 and I need the tune for the headers as well, and the transmission tune. So I got a lot of things I need to tune up for, so I may just have them do it all at once. So stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.